Is being a virtual assistant an easy job? That is one of the most common statements that I hear in this platform. So today I will be sharing with you my thoughts and the truth about it. Hi, this is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So if you're new to this channel and you're watching me for the first time, this channel is about the virtual assistant industry. I share some tips, tools, and training about the virtual industry, and this is for aspiring VAs and for those who are looking for VAs. So if this is something that resonates with you and something that you would be interested in, feel free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications, and make sure to like this video as well. And don't forget to browse on this channel. We have some playlists here where you can learn from. So some of the people here in YouTube says that if one wants to work online, the easiest thing to do is to be a VA, because they think that being a virtual assistant is the easiest one. And I beg to disagree. There is an easier way to learn how to be a virtual assistant, but it doesn't mean that it is an easy job. So I will share more about that later, so make sure to watch until the end of this video. Is being a VA an easiest job? I don't think so. First of all, being a virtual assistant is having your own online business, and any type of business is not easy. Would you agree? Second, being a VA is not a job. We are not employed. We are an independent contractor and we are providing services online. It varies on the needs of the business. If our mindset is thinking that being a VA is an easy job, then I don't think we will have the goal to improve or level up on our business. It is sad to think that there are people think this way. In the virtual assistant industry, there are so many skills to learn from. There are so many trainings and services online that a person can provide. And if we don't have enough experience and training about it, we will not be able to deliver and do our responsibilities with our clients. And that is the truth. If being a virtual assistant is easy, how come that not everyone is doing it? And if someone would like to become one, why they are not a VA yet? And of course, I will be creating this channel. If being a virtual assistant is easy, why would I share what I know if this was easy? However, if you want to become successful in the virtual assistant industry, there is an easier way to do that. So let me share with you my experience. When I started as a VA, of course, like most of you, I don't know anything about it. I don't even know what a virtual assistant means. But I know that I work as an employee, I work in a company, and I go to office on an 8 to 5 office hours, or if I'm in a night shift for those who are in BPOs. I did have an experience in BPO, but that's another story. My work in the corporate world is from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. That's all I know. I don't know anything about a virtual assistant. But when I heard about it from one of the most trustworthy person, I became curious with it, so I attended events, I enrolled in seminars, and I make sure that I understand everything. So in short, I got a mentor. That's how I started as a virtual assistant. But wait, it's not enough that we learn something. It's not enough that we got a mentor. The most crucial thing when we start is application, implementation. So when a mentor says that we have to do this assignment, we have to accomplish some tasks, we just have to do it without any question, because he or she is guiding us on their way to success. The easiest way to learn to become a successful virtual assistant is to get a mentor, but also implement and apply those learnings that we gain from them, from the lessons that we've learned from. We have to apply it. So if one mentor is not enough for you, feel free to get mentors, and that's with an S. Just make sure that you spend time learning and applying everything you're learning, okay? Now it is your turn. When people ask you if being a VA is an easy job, how do you answer them? Let me know by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. I look forward to reading it. So did you learn something today? If you do, please go ahead, like this video and share it with your friends. I'll see you again soon.